Oh, what am I going to wear today? I just have no idea what I'm going to put on. Oh, let me see these. You know, I haven't had these pants on for a very long time. It's been at least a decade. These pants came from Chadwick's. It says Chadwick's of Boston. And I haven't worn them, so I would love to put these on. They are a neutral color. And I can pair with whatever, but I'm not quite sure what I want to style them with. Let me think. I can throw them on with this blazer from Veronica Beard. That'll create a look. I can take my husband's vest from Dockers. It's from Dockers. Well, made from Dockers. And I can do that. I can get this express jumpsuit. Isn't that cute? It's not jumpsuit, but it's a bodysuit. Got the cutout back here. I can take this and create a look. What about this skirt over here? This skirt would make a wonderful top. So I'm going to try this. What else in this closet can I do with these pants? Because it's been 10 years, 1 decade, and I haven't came up with anything to wear with these pants. But this year, I'm going to wear these pants. Let's see, what else can I do? How about this dress? This dress right here would make a wonderful top. I can do that. Ah, hey, this goes good with the vest. This will look good with this vest. My husband's vest. And this top, you've seen this before. If you're one of my followers, you've seen this top before. It's from COS, and it'll look really good up under this vest. So, now that I have a few outfits picked out, I need to get shoes. So let me see, what shoes will I wear? I know. These boots. I can wear these boots. I can wear these boots. I can wear these boots. And let's see. I can wear these boots. And what else can I wear? I can wear these pumps. Let's see, is there anything else I can pair this look with? Just let me see in here. Because I'm going to find me several ways to wear this one pair of pants this year. I think that's it for the clothing pieces and the shoes I have picked out. Of course, you've seen these boots before. These are Vince Camuto's. And these are Sergio Rossi. These boots right here are Mark Fisher. And these candy apple red shoes, Stuart Weitzman. So, if you're like any other person and you go in your closet and you say, I have absolutely nothing to wear, I'm going to show you exactly how to pair these pants that I have had for over a decade with several different pieces in my wardrobe from my closet and my husband's, of course. And if you want to see how I styled these pants, just keep on watching.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.